Move forward to another command, that is basically SBB. It is the abbreviation of subtraction with borrow. So basically, if there is a borrow or there is any need of borrow, that subtraction will be performed using that borrow bit as well. For example, here you can see that syntax of command, that is SBB operand 1 minus operand 2, that will be basically subtracting the content of operand 2 from operand 1 including a borrow, and the answer will be stored at the location of operand 1. So here you can see an example of 16-bit as well. For example, SUBBX, DX. This command will execute and perform a subtraction in such a way that the content of DX will be subtracted from BS, including the borrow. Now, if I move forward, there is another command, that is INC. Basically, INC is the short form of increment. Now, as I have told you earlier, that there are few commands that need only one operand. So increment and decrement are such commands that need only one operand. For example, if I write INCAL, that command will increment by 1 in the value of AL. So for example, if there is a value stored of 97H in AL before the execution, and so after the execution of INCAL, there will be an increment of 1 in the execution in the value of AL, and the new value of AL will be 98H. So basically, this command is used to increment the value in any register, in any operand that is placed after the space in case of INC instruction. Similarly, there is another instruction that is known as DEC. Basically, that instruction stands for or the abbreviation of decrement, and this instruction subtracts 1 after its execution. For example, if I write DEC space DI, that will decrement the value of DI by 1, and the new or updated value will also be stored in DI. For example, there is a value of 55968 that is basically a decimal value. Then this the hexadecimal conversion of this will be stored at the location of DI, and after execution this command, there will be a decrement of 1 in the value of DI.